Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cat Design Master. I hope you have watched previous all videos. If not, you can go to playlist and you can see the beginner tutorials in English or Hindi as you prefer. So in this tutorial, I am going to make the, this part in SolidWorks 2020. I hope you will enjoy this this tutorial. Okay, let me start. Open the SolidWorks 2020. Okay, select the file, click on new, or you can also click Ctrl plus N, select the part and click on OK button. Now, now we have entered in SolidWorks workspace of SolidWorks part. The part file name is part 2. Okay. Now we have not done anything, so there is no start is here. First of all, what we make. Okay. In this part, I am going to make the external, that is revolve, by making the revolve cut. Okay, no problem. We can we can also make directly this one. First of all, circle of diameter 40, select the front plane, select sketch, mm, click on circle, center circle, select the circle and give the dimension of 40, 40 dia, enter 40 values, then extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, go to the feature, select extrude boss or base, change the direction, then give the extrude of 20 mm, click on OK. Okay, now select this face, select take sketch to control 8, that is normal view. Now make this part, that is of 30 mm extrude expanded, and dia of 20 mm, you can see here. Okay, select the center circle. Okay, select, wait a second, select this center, give the dimension of 20 mm. Okay, now go to the feature and also go to extrude and extrude up to 30 mm. Okay, 30 mm. Okay, now you can see. Now there is one fillet of radius of 3. First of all, make this fillet, that is radius of 3. It is should be symmetric. Give the 3 value and click on enter. Okay, now here 3 mm fillet has been created. Then give the chamfer of 1 mm about at 45 degree at 1 and 2 edges, that is this one. Select this edge and click on chamfer tool, give the dimension of 1 mm, select multiple edges, that is this and this. We have to make these edges. Okay, 1 mm chamfer has been already created. Now what is the remaining? First of all, we make the complete extrude hole, that is of diameter of 9. Okay, select this face, click on sketch, go to the normal view, select the center and view of whole dia of 9 mm, go to the feature and extrude cut up to throw all both. Okay, you may also select the throw all only option. Okay, now what is remaining, this part is going to be remained here, so we can select here the multiple option, or you can also select the to make this part, that is polygon over here. Now you can see the how it is looking. So select this face and click on sketch, normal view, select this polygon, it is the center polygon. First of all, we have to select the center of the polygon and drag it as you wish. Okay, now the distance of edge to edge, that is a by f 20. Okay, no problem. External dia, that is 40, and extrude cut up to 10 mm. First of all, we make the extrude cut, that is this 20, sorry, 20, not 20, sorry, 10. This one is 10, 10 mm. Okay, now we will give the perfect dimension to this polygon. Okay, we are going to update this, that is polygon. Here we have given that is a by f20. Do you know what is the meaning of this? That is a by f20. Okay, that is a by f20 means the distance of two faces of nut or this polygon. Okay, this is basically used for nut concept, that is nut dimension, universal dimension. A by f20 means the distance from this face to this face is 20 mm. So we are going to give the, or you can see that you can change, you can update this. Why not, it's opening? Okay, I think my laptop is going to be hanged. Okay, go to the extrude cut, select this sketch, edit sketch, and update it. That is select two edges or of the polygon to the dimension of 20 mm. Okay, it should be there. Okay, this is has been, I think so, done completely. Go to the update format, and you will see it's look like the perfection. Not perfection, it's always perfect. Okay, now there is one fillet is remaining of sorry, fillet not chamfer is remaining of 1 mm at 45 degree. As we say, make the fillet before. Here is the 1 mm is already entered. Okay, see, the part is completely made. Now give the appearance to it, uh, appearance of blue color. Okay, not this. I think so this is should be perfect. Click on OK. The part is completely made it. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this part, you can ask me anytime. Okay, thank you. One more thing, if you want to follow me, you can follow me at here, that is GrabCat, at name of SolidWorks 2020. Here I updated my daily parts, or you can download the model here. Okay, okay, you can see that is like a DC adapter, that is wall hanger, this is wind turbine model, this is a table, or you can see more models here. Okay, if you enjoy this video, you can like, comment and subscribe. If you are new, subscribe this channel, you will get more informative videos in future. Okay, thanks for watching.